Hello, my name is Ashley. I work as a copywriter and text rewriter. I'd like to share my experience in this field, as in our world, texts play a key role in communication, marketing, and education. Copywriting is not just a collection of words, but a tool of influence. Rewriting texts for various clients and companies is not only a puzzle but a real quest, where every step can lead to success or failure. This job seems like a bottomless pit of time and concentration. It requires a multifaceted approach, where not only synonym selection is important, but also a well-structured sentence formation. It's an art of transforming ideas, concepts, and information into a new, unique form. Here, not only creative skills come to the forefront, but also specific knowledge, such as understanding the target audience, applying SEO techniques, and much more. A copywriter has to be not only a writer, but also a researcher, analyst, and even somewhat of a psychologist. Like a sculptor chiseling a figure out of stone, a copywriter spends hours, sometimes days, to carve, refine, and polish their creation. That's why tools that can ease this labor-intensive process are so crucial. If you find yourself, as a copywriter, juggling many complexities of the job, from understanding the target audience to applying SEO techniques, you'll be pleased to know there's a tool specifically crafted for you. Smoothly transitioning from the nuances of copywriting artistry, let me introduce you to TextFlip.AI, an online text paraphrasing service. This platform serves as an invaluable aid in your creative process, allowing you to rephrase up to 8,000 characters of text while preserving its original meaning. The service possesses a unique ability to remain invisible to plagiarism detection systems and artificial intelligence. This means your rephrased text will not only be unique, but will also retain all its original value and structure. The capabilities to adjust keywords and the style of the paraphrased text make TextFlip.AI an even more versatile and useful tool. Now, paraphrasing becomes not just a mechanical task, but an opportunity to enhance and enrich your content.